Now, right out of the box, the Wolf 1 Survival Knife has a sleek, tactical look that is really, really nice. They've done a really great job with the overall design of this knife. The full Tang construction means this knife is forged from a single piece of 440C stainless steel, that's a high carbon steel that's known for its 58 HRC hardness, offering some pretty incredible strength, rust resistance, and toughness in pretty much any condition. Again, this is great for anybody who's in the outdoors that could be up against, moist conditions, things like that, or doing anything really heavy like sharpening sticks, starting fires, things like that. This is going to be able to hold up to a lot of punishment.